everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today is Monday, so I normally say today's Makeover Monday, but it's the holidays and we already have to social distance and wear masks and things that really aren't fun, so you can't expect me to be on a diet too. But I'll tell you what today is though. Today is Cyber Monday, so Cyber Monday and Black Friday, Thanksgiving weekend in general marks the start of the shopping season or gift giving. I guess the shopping season. Gift giving's later. So we're not going to do any shopping today, but we are going to make some gifts. So I'm going to be doing this all month long, or at least up until Christmas, gifts from the kitchen. So we're going to start today with some lemon curd. But before I start, before I start. If this is your first time here, my name is Cheri, and if you love food and fun like I do, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and check the description below because you can find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, this is a really easy recipe. And I love lemon curd because it's one of those things you really don't find it, unless you go to like the bigger supermarkets or at least around here. And when you do find it, it's a little bit pricey. So I like to make this homemade. So we got a cup of sugar in here, and I'm going to add in 3 eggs. And then I'm also going to add in the zest. I was going to say the zest. We're going to add that in later. What we are going to add in now is the juice of, I gotta make sure I'm not going to get seeds in here. The juice of 2 lemons. I'm afraid I am. I should probably do this over a bowl. Let's do this here. I'll do it with the one the eggs were in. I mean, they're all going in the same container anyway, right? Yeah, okay. This is my citrus press, which I love. So if you have smaller, see how this side is smaller than that side was, you can flip it this way, and then when you go to, I'm not sure if you guys can see what I'm doing here, but then when you go to squeeze it, it gets every last drop. So it actually, it actually turns it inside out. So we got a couple more here, and you can see the seeds are down in there, so that way I'm not going to get the seeds in my lemon curd. I just squirted juice everywhere. All right, one last one here. We can go ahead and add in here, and then we're just going to whisk all this together. I'm going to double check, make sure I don't have any seeds down in there. And then once we've got this well blended, which I don't yet, almost there. I have some sugar stuck in that corner. I'm going to go ahead and turn my heat on to, like medium high. All right, that looks like it's well blended. So to this, I am going to add, I meant to get another lemon out for the zest because it's not very comfortable to hold it, but well, I can't use those because those are turned inside out. I have to go all the way around. We need about a tablespoon of this. So I probably need to keep going a little, little bit. Yeah, the other one's inside out too. I might have to get one out of the fridge. Let's see how much we can get off of here. And you know what? I think between that and what I already put in here, that probably is about a tablespoon. Might be just a little shy, but that's okay. All right, so we added a tablespoon of lemon zest, and then a half a cup of butter that I cubed just to make it a little bit easier to melt down. Okay, so now we're going to cook this on medium high just until it gets like thicker and it like coats the back of a spoon. I'll have to find a spoon. Okay, and then after a while it will start to bubble, and it should be just kind of like that, thick on the back, kind of like a thick gravy. So from here I'm going to turn off the heat, and I am going to pour this into a bowl. And I've got some jars here that I want to put it in so that it's perfect for gifting, but I guess I should be pouring this way so you guys can see what I'm doing. But I'm going to set it in the bowl for right now, and we're going to let it cool off a little bit. So probably about 10 minutes or so, and then we can pour it in our jars. Okay, so it should be cool enough now that we can go ahead and pour this in our jars. And I think it makes a little under 2 cups. So I just grabbed some of my favorite jars. I love the ones that are like different shapes and sizes, kind of different from your normal mason jar. Like this one here I'm pouring in. I think this is probably a spice jar, but I just thought it was really, really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and use it for my lemon curd. Okay, so I like to decorate these just a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on this one. And this one, I have some stickers and stuff like that, so I might get a little sticker and put on here. Definitely a little ribbon to go around the outside. And then on the other two, they actually have now where you can buy these. And I thought they were stickers, but they're not. They're just little labels, I guess. and you just slide them right underneath the rim. I can get it back on here now. You had to push it up in there. Is that right? There we go. Yeah. So that is cute. And the other thing I like to do, of course, is to take a little bit of fabric and some pinking shears and then cut a little square. So I think this is super cute because it matches. It's great for springtime. But because it is Christmas, we could always use some red. So I'll show you. I just take a pair of pinking shears and just cut a little square. And you can do it with regular scissors too. I just think the pinking shears makes it just a little bit prettier. And maybe not in this case because it's all it's all folded under. So let's trim this down just a little bit. And that looks much better. So I like the red with the yellow. And then we could always put a little bow. Let's see. This has got a little wire on it. I might be able to put this under here. Just like that. There we go. See, how cute is that? So I hope you guys will make this, make it for a gift, or make it for yourself. If you love lemons and you've never had lemon curd, you are in for a treat. And not only does it make a good gift, it's also good in desserts and things like that. So I thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.